And nitrogen prices have gone up dramatically due to largely geopolitical factors outside of farmers' control. Alongside of this, agriculture has changed and is going to continue to change. One of the biggest dominant themes that have emerged recently is regenerative agriculture. Regen ag looks to try and improve the impact that we make on our food and farming systems, and if we can try and do this to try and create a profitable system whilst protecting and enhancing our environment. Regenerative agriculture is in many ways not a new idea. Certainly they're old ideas which have come back into fruition. We're talking about practices such as direct drilling, cover cropping, and being much more selective about our herbicides, pesticides and other approaches. Particularly, regenerative agriculture looks at soil health and how we can improve and maintain our soils. Here at Childerley, we're trying to mirror those practices on a field scale trial. As part of the Designing Future Wheat programme, the NIAB pre-beeding team had developed a selection of novel wheat lines which indicate improved nitrogen use efficiency. Our objective here is to take these lines out from the nursery and the pre-breeding stage and into real-world conditions, including under regenerative agriculture management methods to assess their performance. In the trial at the moment we have several known and well-liked varieties, particularly with millers and other growers already, such as Skyfall, Exdays and Crusoe. Alongside this we also have older or more heritage lines such as Robigus. We're using this mix alongside our novel varieties to try and understand nitrogen dynamics and try and understand the impact that these varieties and our novel varieties will have on the environment and ideally what they will come to for yield. The newer lines give us an insight into how these varieties function under different management strategies. The older lines serve as a useful guide to understanding the mechanisms of how our novel wheat lines will respond. We're also using data loggers. These data loggers will be recording constantly the soil moisture and temperature at both 0 and at 20 centimetres depth. The reason this is important is because nitrogen and its availability is intimately connected to how much moisture there is in the soil. As an ongoing part of this project, we hope that we can assess for future farmers and future breeders how their selection of variety and how their selection of genetic material can have a positive impact on the environment. We hope that this information will go on to form part of agriculture's goal to reach net zero and to be part of a future selection programme for wheats which involve high quality environmental standards, not only traditional factors such as yield.